to fix open multiple tabs on Windows 11 in Chrome browser. Open the Google Chrome. When you open, you can see the multiple tabs at the same time open on your device. So it's quite annoying to remove all tabs or remove one or more tabs. Open the Google Chrome on your device. Tap on the three vertical dots at top right. Now scroll down. Tap on the settings. Now tap on the on startup option from the bottom left menu. Tap on on startup. Now here you can see open a specific page or set of pages. Now choose the open the new tab page. You can also choose continue where you left off. Here we select open the new tab page. Now close your Google Chrome. Now open the Google Chrome on your Windows 11 and you can see open the single app. So it's quite easy to fix the multiple tabs open on your Windows 11 Chrome browser. That's it. If you like it, share it.